fun, hey?
Yeah.
In your cubby house?
Yeah.
Cool. All your friends. What's it with? Ooh, man. What is it? That's cool.
Chocolate cafe. Chocolate cafe. Hot chocolate gelato.
I love chocolate.
Did you get the whole thing? I was gonna, do you want me to break off a little bit of the frog?
I could never settle down
What else is good?
too far away from my hometown. With my family I am bound.
Hey, where's the doggies?
I stick by them till I'm in the ground. Resting on the myth of old, all of the stories I've been told. Secret places hidden where are gone now as far as I can tell. Better one. I've come to realize time goes by on its own.
Put this one up first.
Very big, aren't you?
Stuck here without a home.
Be quiet, buddy. Gotta be quiet.
Never settle down. Too far away from my hometown. With my family I am bound. Stick to them until I'm in the ground.
Ooh, where are we, Sonny?
All I know is I'm
Skywatch?
Yeah.
What's Skywatch?
Rick Skinner.
I've come to realize time goes by on its own. I am stuck here without a home, without a home.
Looking good. You like that?
Yeah, I'm just gonna get that cow.
You gonna see the cows, are you? You can go out there.
to your face. It's been a long and tiresome day. I've been waiting to come home and give you everything that I have. Now we could stay awake all night and have dinner in bed. Slowly watch as the sun rises or fall asleep instead. This is how it ought to be. Every day should be like a hovering cloud. When it's only you and me, no one else can bother us to step on our feet. Oh no, step on our feet.